everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. So today we're going to be looking at a set number 7741 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2007. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with one minifigure, and that is this police helicopter pilot. So this helicopter pilot has quite a lot of black get-up, so he's got a black top with some silver zips across his torso and a grey belt, some plain black trousers, and his sleeves are black as well with some dark grey gloves. We also have a little radio here on the side and a shiny golden police badge. His helmet is white with a black tinted opening visor like this, and his face consists of some silver sunglasses and a smiley face. And if we have a look around the back, we have a plain black torso as well. So the main part of this set is this white and blue police helicopter here. So the main color scheme of this helicopter is white with some blue stripes, and we've also got this 4-blade rotor on top over here. We can take this off, we can have a look at it later, but first we're going to have a look at the main design of the helicopter. So first of all, we have the front nose cone, which on the top is white. We've got some blue stripes going around the sides, and underneath here we have sort of white hull design going here. Underneath the base we have a sticker P-32 police, so ground crew can see which helicopter this is. We also have this small little spotlight over here, so this makeshift yellow spotlight, which is adjustable on this clip and handle over here. Going around the side, we have a closer look at the landing skids over here. So we've got these dark grey landing skids on both sides, and they reach about to a width of 5 centimeters or so, and this is just one big piece over here with a few additions. And also it does not attach onto studs, it just slides on them as skids should do. And over here on the side we have this black video recording camera, which is on a sort of hinge and bar and handle setup. It is removable just like this, so you can use it as a separate sort of accessory. And we've got a white lens over here and a red side lens in the viewfinder. So now let's have a look at some of the general aspects of this helicopter. So first of all, we have this light blue windscreen over here to give us a little bit of view inside the helicopter, and on the roof over here we have this white panel piece with another sticker on it. This blue stripe is the sticker with the word police again over here on the top, and we also have two cheese slopes over here to use as flashing lights. And to remove the compartment over here so we can get our minifigures inside, we not only have to remove the roof but as well the front windscreen as well, just like this, as two pieces. Just put that aside so we can have a look on the inside of the helicopter. So now here in the interior we can see this little console piece over here, this printed console piece with some more helicopter related measures and stuff like that. We also have a back rest here at the back done in blue, and over here to fit the space for the hands we have these panel pieces. We've got these smaller panel pieces up front here and these sort of larger sort of panel pieces as well. Both of them have stickers on them, another police logo over here are done in white and blue. And on the side over here we have a few little extra windows to let in some light, and we also have these storage crates on the side as well. Now these storage crates, we've got one on each side. They are done in white with a blue sticker on each of them, sort of blue background with a little grey arrow there, and these open up to show some accessories. So first of all we have these handcuffs. They're a little bit squished because they were stuck in a small space. So on this side we've got storage space for some handcuffs, which you can use to handcuff some runaway crook that you find using the police helicopter. And if we go around to the other side to see what's in the other storage compartment, we have a pair of dark grey binoculars. Now coming to the rear of the helicopter, we can already see some extra details as well. Here we have some translucent base plates done in green on this side and done in red on this side to be our positioning lights. We also have these tubular pieces as well in black. These are, I suppose, the exhaust pipes for our helicopter. Now at the back of the main cockpit of this helicopter we've got some sloping pieces to help add a little bit of style going up to the main boom at the back over here. And the tail of the helicopter is 2 bricks side by side over here, and we've got a few extra details as well. First of all, the grill element over here just to help join things up a little bit. And at the back, very back, we have this 3 blade rotor, this side little tail rotor. We also have another red positioning line over here along with a general white cheese lobe, and we have the tail of the helicopter, the tail fin over here with the police word again over here. We've got a little sort of number over here, NN774. Is that 41? Yes, it is. And that number is obviously the name of the set. And this sticker is replicated on the other side as well. And we've got a little wedge piece over here to provide us a guide wing as well. And now it's that time of the video where we get to see the fact of the day. So what has Johnny got for us today? So the fact of the day is most police helicopters use a special gyro to stabilize their cameras, which usually consist of a day camera and a thermal imaging camera. Now at the top of the helicopter we have some cheese slopes going along the side over here to just cover a little bit of the stud space up, and we have a grey pin over here which holds these helicopter blades in place. Now as for the helicopter blades themselves, there are 4 of them, and they're sort of like skid pieces attached onto ratchet joints over here. So what you can do is you can fold them up. If you have a lack of space, then you can take this up, fold it up, and store it somewhere nice and easily if you have limited space. These helicopter blades do get in the way sometimes. And on the top over here, on the top of the joint over here, we have this sort of white dish piece as well to make it very nice and easy to grab hold of the blades and spin them really fast. And finally, it's time to talk about dimensions. So these helicopter blades reach 19 centimeters in diameter, and the whole helicopter structure is approximately 20 centimeters in length, and the skids at the very, very base reach only about 5 centimeters. So you can land somewhere decent, somewhere even on a small platform, as long as there's lots of space for the helicopter and the rotors. And of course, this little tail of the helicopter is by far the ultimate place to hold the helicopter when you're flying it about. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!